show up here. Michelle, if you can imagine, this, you couldn't drive through. Now, we still have our wires and stuff down on this side. We haven't gotten to here. But, I mean, this, what you could not drive through this. All this has been done by hand in clearing it ourselves so we can make it drivable.
So we're coming up to the grocery store. What happened here?
Okay, so thank God for Paul Alberte, because up until a week ago, nobody would touch this grocery store. And
The smell, yeah, the smell is too bad. You can't.
But
If this was smell-o-vision, you guys wouldn't smell it. It smells awful.
But so, just so you know, Michelle, it was worse. It was worse than this. Paul Alberte spent 3 days with 2 helpers and went in and sprayed everything out, bleached everything down, tore everything out. And you're going to go past the cans. You can see some there and over here of the things that were taken out, all the food items that were rotting and smelling. And we got them out of there. But it's still bad. It's still very bad, but not nearly as bad as it was.
Right.
Thank God for Paul Alberte. Nobody else would tackle that.
So the water came all the way up
into
to the
the
roof
grocery store.
in the grocery store and washed everything out as well, from what I understand from what Christine said.
It was all the way through there.
Yeah, it's gone. And we're coming up on John Coates' house, which is done. There's no roof on the top. You can see how the wet on the concrete, how high everything went.
Well, you can see the line.
Yep,
See the line?
I see
It's
the
like
line.
5 feet.
Yep. And this is Caribbean landscape in front of us. They're actually staying in my house right now, and they have been cleaning up the front street. Timmy, talk more about that.
So, it was actually last Friday that they gave us 3 days complimentary to help us really get everything cleaned up on Front Street, and we're going to be showing you that. And then I begged, borrowed, begged, and now we're working on getting them permanent housing here, and they're going to contribute 3 days a week to, if we can provide them the housing, to continue cleaning for us. They will be working in Baker's, and that's a long-term project that they've agreed to do for us. Now, this gentleman behind me,
Yeah, there's our boat with the water tank and everything, that white boat right there.
Oh, I see it. Fantastic. This is Brandon, everybody.
hello. So Brandon, would you tell them what you did yesterday in cleaning all this up and the lines and everything? You're being videoed, so if you could tell them.
Yeah, all these cable wires and electric wires, we had to remove those from the trees, and then we cut the trees and pulled them up so that now that the bulldozer, bobcat, whatever, can
Come down.
by and just load them right up, then you can actually access the water, and there's not a tangled spider web in the way.
Thank you.